On a Tuesday, next slide, we have our Club 1. It's a business format. Utod ko pamati ha, be careful. You know what, when you enter politics, siling nila politics is very dirty and very dark, and there are many challenges, especially when it comes to faith, ang imo pagtuo bala. Pero number two, aside from politics, number two is business. In fact, ang iban gani gasuling, lain na yung negosyo, lain ng Diyos. Business is business, faith is faith. Wrong and right. When you are a Christian, like the Lord Jesus Christ, who was even a carpenter, ang iya papa was a carpenter, Joseph, he was excellent in his business. So I do believe the Lord Jesus Christ made very, very good furniture. And that is why he was known to be the carpenter's son. And he was a businessman. Jesus was. Until the time that, of course, he became in public ministry a rabbi and a teacher. And we found out that, of course, he is the Messiah after all. In short, ang sa simbahan bala, sa Bible gali, si Jesus kadamo ginhambal regarding business. Kung hindi kita maalam sa business, kinahanglan alam kita, we can be captivated by greed, ang kadulok. That is why in our business meetings, for business people, we all the time remind ourselves, because we will become rich, make sure that you don't forget the poor. All right, next slide. That is why may ara kita sa ginatawag nga humanitarian blessing plan. It is an alleviation program of wealth distribution. Ang topic ta today, what you receive, you give. All right? Mercy. When you are merciful, you will also receive mercy. Kasubong man sina, kung magbulig kita sa mga pigado, ato ko to sa sagay yesterday, the other day, pwede ta kapanghatag bulong. Kaya bala? Pwede ta kapanghatag dental. Pwede ta kapanghatag free haircut. Pwede ta kapanghatag slippers. Subong kay may bag-o kita nga world, ang isa nga akon gina-estudyuhan, kagina-intrahan, I will be giving an opportunity for e-wallets. So we will give them e-wallets. Be careful sa scam ha, because there are scams, of course. Because there are scams, there is also a real thing. So lang kabalo ka lang maghampang sa ina nga bagay para hindi kita malinlang. So this is an alleviation program that we are entering into. Now again, delikado ni ha, kapin pa politika kag negosyo. Pero kinanglan kita nga people of God must understand to become light and salt of the earth. So I am excited because we have this group, a business group, and we meet every Tuesday, 11:45 over here, over lunch. And if you're interested, just come and visit. Free ang lunch, we just ask for a little donation. At the same time, ang akong gina-target, ang wala trabaho ha. Okay, ang manggaranon niya damon ang sila mani. Ang akong gusto buligan, ang wala pa mani, nga para makamani. Alright. Ang ako nga tawag sini, I am doing something of a concept here. Kadumdum kamo sang mana. Mana in the Old Testament. Diba? Every morning makuha sila sang mana. Ang meaning sang mana, sa ila language, mas sila, ano ini? Ano ini? Hiling ni Lord kan alang. Ano ini? Kan alang. Oh, kay ako na sa provision sa inyo. The following day, wala na ha. Kung sa hapon mo kwaon, wala na. That is why you have to be early in the morning. The only point is, karon ari kita sa kalibutan nga, ano ina? Ano ini? Kadamo-damo sang fake news, kadamo-damo sang scamming, kadamo-damo sa mga bagay nga hindi gidi amo may AI gani. Pwede gani nga makita mo gulpi lang ikaw naghambal ka na sa Facebook dra. O ako man na. Hindi ko man na kinambal. Because of course the world is filled with, in the last days there will be increase in deception. Mabalanta na. In the last days there will be a powerful movement of deceiving people. So pwede, kung hindi ta mag-careful, we may be deceived as well. That's why be very careful. I'm sharing that because I am entering into something that I need to be prayed for. Pangamuyuan nyo man kami. Especially ng grupo nga ina. Before that, please, before that, ayan, because we are having a honest to goodness intention of wanting to be blessed so that we can be a blessing to many. Uy, kasadyabla. The group right now is growing up to number 65 na kabilog. And so far, wala pagid isa nga nagreklamo. Si buwas pa lang. Wait, kabalo. Pero ang buwas ni maniaton. We are not holding tomorrow, only for today. So I'm mentioning this because it is connected to our lesson. If you receive, learn to give. That is a very good business format for Christians. Wala kita nag-receive more in order that we will be adjusting more and more of our needs, but rather helping more and more people who can be alleviated from their plight in their poverty. All right? Noy, you have negosyo, right? You're selling what? Peanut butter and pastel. Is that okay? Yes. I encourage all the young people, whether of Bulanon, far, far, far in Sagay, we are friends because 10 years ago, we started community transformation there. Damo-damo Australiano nagkagtudra, damo-damo funding nagkagtuda. Pero at the end, wala gid san daw nadulot nga maayo. Oh, may maayo man. Natural na wali ang pulong sang Dios. It's good. That is the best of all. But this time, something happened nga do hindi manami. And then nagsira. So siling ko, Lord, what if mabalik ko to mga musta sa ila? And of course, I was now thinking about helping them a bit in this what you call not giving vitamins, not giving medicine, but giving an opportunity for work from home. All right? So if you're interested more about that, we are here every Tuesday, 11:45.